Hi friends, I'm Sri Lakshmi Duggrala. I would like to talk with you all about a different topic, upgrade. We all know that so as to better our life, we take so many different ways. We follow different paths so that we can create a better life for ourselves, a comfortable life for ourselves. So as to create a comfortable life for ourselves, we keep upgrading ourselves by using latest technology. For example, earlier we used to go to the top floors of a building by using staircase. Then later came elevators, escalators. Once upon a time we used to cook by using wood or kerosene, then later gas stove. We can even see the advancement in the form of microwave oven, etc. We used to have entertainment, the TV, in the form of cathode ray tube TV in earlier days. Nowadays, it has transformed into plasma TV. Long back, we used to communicate through a telephone, which upgraded into mobile. The mobile consists of a TV, camera, bank, calendar, watch, alarm, etc. etc. all in your hand. Then what about the upgradation in spirituality? Did we apply this upgradation to spirituality also? Are we upgrading ourselves technologically in spirituality also? This is the question now. Let us see a great sloka which is taken from Uttara Gita. Pujakoti samam stotram, stotrakoti samo japaha, japakoti samam dhyanam, dhyanakoti samo layaha. This is a sloka from Uttara Gita, which was given by Lord Krishna. We do pujas, we do stotras. Some people chant japas. 1 crore puja are equal to 1 stotra. 1 crore stotra are equal to 1 japa. 1 crore japa are equal to 1 dhyana. Dhyana means meditation. 1 crore dhyana is equal to 1 laya. This is the meaning given by Lord Krishna. Are we upgrading ourselves spiritually in this way? When will we upgrade to meditation? What is meditation according to us? When do we have to do meditation? What is the age? How much time? What is the use of doing meditation? Many questions arise. Many of us have the disbelief that when we become old, then only we have to meditate. Meditation is the thing of the old. This is a completely wrong concept. If it is so, Lord Krishna might have told that after entering your old age, then only you have to meditate. He didn't say that. We have our own meanings which are causing us not to upgrade in spirituality. Many people know about the role of meditation in present situation of earth. Lord Krishna is asking us to upgrade through the above sloka. We use technology to its best. If we implement technology to spirituality, then only we can evolve in our life. so that the earth also evolves. Earth is in extraordinary energy changes. So as to experience that energy change, one has to meditate. Like when you are told that the taste of a particular sweet is excellent, but you are not given to taste it, then you will just keep listening to that. You will never experience that excellent taste until unless you eat it. In the same way, you keep listening that meditation is good to come out of many situations. But you don't meditate, then you will never understand the role meditation plays in one's life. The entire humanity has experienced in 2020 that what are the minimum necessities to live? We can live without so many things which we used to think that they are mandatory for us. The entire human society is under reset. This is a physical reset. There is a cause behind every effect, and for this effect on earth, there are so many reasons, there are so many causes. These causes exhibit a duality, like good and bad. We are not going deep into these causes which led to these effects. We consider the excellent effect that is going to change earth. We consider the excellent effect that's changing the humanity. What is happening behind the screen? Let us see. There are so many astrological alignments of the planets, and all these alignments are bringing a new foundation, a new creation on the earth, which is going to manifest so many miracles. According to the astrology, 2020 is a great year of change, a great year of transformation. 12th January 2020, Saturn-Pluto conjunction. We have done Ace of Aquarius activation part 1, Global Mass Meditation. It's a very successful meditation. Nearly 150,000 people participated globally. Those moments actually opened up Aquarian Aces timeline stargate. From that moment onwards, the energies which will manifest the Aquarian Ace onto the earth started flowing. These energies are stabilizing the manifestation of Ace of Aquarius through the timeline stargate that has opened on that day. Later, on 30th June, Jupiter-Pluto conjunction. We have done Ace of Aquarius activation part 2, Global Mass Meditation. 250,000 people participated in this globally. Apart from these two meditations, on 5th April, we have done Ascension Timeline Meditation. Nearly 1.1 million people participated. Another great astrological Jupiter-Saturn conjunction is due on 21st December 2020. According to Indian Standard Time, 21st December, 11:52 p.m., there is a global mass meditation announced. The UTC time is 6:22 p.m. Ace of Aquarius final activation. We all are doing Jupiter-Saturn conjunction is coming exactly after 615 years. This conjunction has fallen exactly on winter solstice day. This is the best closest great conjunction after 1623. Almost Jupiter and Saturn will be seen as one star only. The much awaited Aquarian Aces energy will start flowing onto the earth from that day onwards. This is our duty to make it a grand success of this Ace of Aquarius final activation meditation. Allot 20 minutes of your time. Use guided meditation audio to have a beautiful visualization of what we want to manifest in the Ace of Aquarius, the golden era. Jupiter, Saturn, Alcyon together make a grand trine, and they come in conjunction with M87 galaxy. Grand trine is a very powerful moment when cosmic love energies will start flowing onto the earth. The new cycle of Ace of Aquarius will begin. Lack of unconditional love is the reason for the present situation on the earth. A point to be specified here about M87 galaxy is it's a part of Virgo supercluster. From this galaxy, on November 24, 2014, a wave of energy arrived on the earth, and the cosmic love that is going to come from M87 galaxy on 21st December 2020 is much more, thousands of times more powerful than the energy that arrived in 2014. So friends, are you ready to receive that cosmic love? Will you permit the cosmic love to flow through you? Will you act as an anchor of that cosmic love? Can you allot 20 minutes of your life? Then come join us in this global mass meditation on 21st December 2020, 11:52 p.m. IST. Do share with all your known people and make them involved to become a part of anchoring cosmic love. Give them chance by spreading awareness about Ace of Aquarius final activation meditation. Do share on Facebook, WhatsApp, websites, blogs. All the information necessary to spread about this meditation will be given in the description box of this video. Share these flyers and information so as to manifest miracles on the earth. Share about this meditation through your status, through your DP. No barricades. Share with all. No one will come and create miracles for us. This universe always provides us so many chances to create miracles for our own selves. So friends, let us use this great opportunity to create excellent miracles on the earth. Victory of earth, victory of earth beings, victory of the light.